Welcome to my channel Divination 777. So right now I'm going to do a reading for our beautiful Leos. So just keep in mind, since it's a general reading, so it may not resonate with everyone. Let's see what's going on for our Leos. Oh my god, the cards are flying. What's going on for our Leos? Angels and spirit guides, what's going on for our Leos? What's going on for our Leos? So Leos, this could be a love situation, family situation, or your career situation. So let's go ahead. So Leos, what I'm seeing in the past, you were hurt a lot by someone. It could have been someone in your workplace or someone you were in a connection with, or it could be a family member as well. So somebody hurt you a lot, and it brought you a lot of pain, and you put up a fake image of like you put up a image like you don't care, that you weren't affected. Like basically you kind of pretended to be strong initially when this happened, and you pretended to be strong and all that. Okay, I'm not affected, fine, whatever, let it go, I don't care, I have other things to do, I'm not hurt. Basically you were like just pretending I am not hurt, but deep inside you were extremely hurt. And it is okay to be hurt, it is okay to feel hurt. So feeling hurt does not mean that you are weak. We all are humans, we all feel emotions, all kinds of emotions. If you show that you're feeling hurt, that does not mean that you're a weak person. In fact, it takes courage to show someone that you're hurt or you're upset, or to share someone. It takes courage. So actually, if you share how you're feeling with someone else, that actually makes you a strong person, because it takes courage to share your inner emotions. So this was your initial energy when you were hurt, and as you kept on moving, you had immense patience, even you hid your emotions, but at the same time you kept a lot of patience, because for you guys, if it's a family situation or a love connection, you guys kept patience with this person because you were being wise. You were being wise about your actions, because you guys are highly in tune with your inner self, and you are intuitive, and you know what was going on. So you kept your patience because you felt things will fall in place, but right now is not the time to dive into it. So you pulled your energy from this person who hurt you. You pulled yourself back because it was only hurting you and affecting your health, but you did not move on from this person. You pulled your energy, but you did not let your emotions your emotions did not fade away for this person. Your emotions of love, it could be a family member or a love connection, your emotions did not fade away, and you kept patient, and you guys are doing your own thing, but at the same time you're waiting for things to fall back in place, because you guys are highly intuitive, like this is my person or this is what is going on, so I need to pull my energy, but I know things will fall in place eventually. I do not need to cut off this person out of my life, whether it's a family member or a love connection. You're like, I have to pull my energy back for some time. I have to be like in a temporary separation, or pull myself back, or pull my emotions back. But I don't have to cut off this person. Like, let's just say when people break up and they are hurt, they block the person from everywhere, they remove them from social media, they remove the contact, and then they block the contact, they block them on the social media as well. So you did not block this person because you were intuitive, like something is off, something is wrong, things will fall in place. So you kept strong and patient. And this is not for all of you, but for some of you, I am getting a lot of dark stuff was done on your person, whether it's a family member. So whatever disrupted the connection, whether it's a family member or love connection, the whatever disrupted the connection, like sometimes we get like, okay, there was a third party, or there were people involved and all that. For some of you, I am getting and you guys were aware of this, I am getting that you knew some dark stuff was being done. A lot of you are like very intuitive. Prophetess, so you are very intuitive. Some of you are empaths also, and you guys are really spiritual, and you know that there was dark stuff being done on you and your person as well. So that is why the connection between you or your person, you or your family member got messed up. Like basically whatever dark stuff has been going on created blockages. Basically someone very close to you, it could be like, if it's a family situation, it could have been a relative, or if it's a love connection, it could be a past person or their friends around them, that did the dark stuff, dark spells, dark chants, because they were envious and jealous of you, the kind of person you were, the kind of bond you have with your person. Family, they were jealous the kind of bond you had with your parents, siblings, or the kind of bond you had, if it's a love connection, the kind of bond you had with this person and what it could have reached. So that is why these people, they did lot of dark shit. But you knew this. That is why you kept patient and you did not block that person. You pulled your energy, but you did not block that person. You did not cut them off. And because you stayed strong, so you pierced through all the obstacles, including this dark stuff. Okay, you pierced through all of it, and now, like a lion, like an eagle, and now you're shining like a star. You guys are shining like a star, and the person is now seeing your value, whether it's a family member or a love connection. Take it as it resonates. You are seeing the value, or so they are or it could be your person also and family members also. It could be everyone else, everyone around you seeing who you are. Like, you are a star. You're a star, you're a champion, you are a warrior. And now the people who hurt you, earlier I was saying a person might have done this, but now I'm getting people. So maybe there were more than one person. There was more than one person involved in doing this dark shit, or creating blockages in any which way or form. Like, you can create blockages by manipulation, or by mind games, or by dark stuff. So that is what I'm saying. So or even the people who did this kind of shit, who created blockages, even they are seeing you as a star, like as a champion, as a warrior. Even they see. And since you are in this star energy, the person, the people who hurt you, they are judging their actions, and they are coming to a realization of as what actually happened, and they are judging themselves, they are judging their past actions, they are judging the past actions and like, oh my god, what did I do? They realize how wrong they were, and the kind of mess they have created, the kind of hurt they uh, the hurt they gave you. My tongue is see, I can't speak properly because for some of you I'm getting the person, if it's a love connection, the person hid their true feelings, they did guard themselves a lot, and they haven't said a lot of things that they wanted to tell you of how much they loved you, because blockages came and you guys separated, and this person hasn't even when you were together, they did not even express the, like, just say even 1/3 of the, or 1/10 whatever of the emotion they felt for you. You knew that they love you, and you also knew. It's like just the amount of feeling they had for you, they did not express it in words. So that is why I'm just fumbling the like that kind of energy. So they want to talk to you a lot, they want to just rush in and tell you everything, how they feel, they want to apologize for what they did, for how much they hurt you, for the for all the mess they created, for all the pain they caused, and they want to heal their bond with you. If it's a family member, they want to heal the situation with you. If it's a love connection, they want to heal the connection with you. They want to heal it, they want to fix it, they want to express themselves. They haven't expressed their true inner feelings. They have come to a realization. They basically, these people who hurt you, they okay, 1222 on the screen, it's like 222 is a very new beginnings, and keep faith even if the signs show otherwise. Even like if you come across this video, whenever you're watching this video and you listen to me and you feel no, it is it feels unreal, I feel stagnant, I feel stuck, it's weird, so the 222 I just saw on the screen, that means have faith even if the signs show otherwise. Even if you can't see that, or you can't see any movement, that does not mean that this person isn't feeling regret. This person is feeling a lot of regret. They want to say a lot of things, they want to apologize, they want to express love, they want to express their feelings, they want to fix the situation with you. They are right now, they are in huge guilt moment. They are feeling so guilty, and all the people who have hurt you, except the ones who did the dark shit, the ones who hurt you, they are feeling guilty, and the ones who did dark stuff and all that, they see you as a star, they don't feel guilty, they just feel annoyed that they lost and that they can't do anything else to create blockages. They are basically incapable. Now the people who are doing dark stuff, they have lost their power, so they are upset about that. And the people who hurt you, they are really guilty, and they are really regretting and judging their past actions. And so okay, this is for not all of you. For some of you, I'm getting that you might be in a connection with someone else, and this past person who hurt you is hurting, because it says here, it hurts me to see you with someone else, don't give up on me, let's fix this together. So either your past person feels that you are with someone else, either they feel that way, or you could be with someone else in a connection. So it is hurting them, that they messed up, or like or some of you could be really moving on. So that is why the messages, don't give up on me. They really want to fix this. Like I said, they really want to give this. They really genuinely love you and feel guilty about how they treated you. See, so like initially when it hit them, like I said, they have been realization. So initially when they realized that what they have done, they tried to drown themselves in work, but they started working a lot and drowning themselves in work, household stuff or career or whatever. But it isn't working anymore. They can't hold back anymore, and they are going to come forward soon, because they cannot deny these feelings. They cannot hold back, or they cannot deny these feelings anymore, and they are going to come towards you. They really want to fix it. And the message angels want to tell you, like I said, rejection is protection. So your separation was necessary, and a lot of you guys, like I said, you are very spiritual, intuitive. Even you knew that this separation was necessary. That is why you pulled back your energy, but you did not cut off this person from your life. Like, you did not block them, you just pulled back your energy. So that what you did, this decision of yours was absolutely right. Yes, it did hurt. Yes, it was difficult, but the choice you made was the right choice. And separation was necessary, since this dark shit was going on as well. If you guys would have, let's just say, if this dark shit was going on, and you were in a connection with someone, and the dark stuff has been going on for a long time. So if you guys did not separate, eventually whoever was doing this dark stuff or whatever, or playing mind games or manipulating, would have ruined your connection if you weren't separated. So I feel this is like a twin, it could be a twin flame journey for some of you. So rejection was protection. So you guys had to be separated. So the toxic people around you, basically you were separated, so the toxic people around you were removed from the divine, and they removed the toxic people, and the ones who did this dark stuff, now they are incapable. Now they can't do anything. And the person you were connecting with, they also had some past trauma, so that could have also affected your relation eventually. So that is why you guys were separated, and that is why rejection is protection. Rejection was your protection, and now they have healed from their toxic. We'll not get into detail what they were going through, because this is your reading. So basically both of you were on your spiritual journey. Yes, both of you were on your spiritual journey. Both of you had to remove toxicity from your lives, toxic people, toxic situations, friends, family, relatives, anyone. And you grew, and now you're going to reunite. I was going to say union is going to happen. Now you're going to unite. Now it just reunite came out. So angel is saying you are going to reunite with your past person. Get more messages from here. So what do the angels want to say? What do you want to tell our brave Leos? I want to tell our brave Leos. Okay, so the message angels want to tell you is, for like I said, for those of you when you listen to this reading and you feel stuck, and because you don't know this person is going through a realization phase, and they are feeling hurt, and they are judging themselves and all that. You don't know this is happening, and you feel it's really unrealistic. So really, do they even know? Do they even regret hurting me? Do they even realize? So the Leos feeling this way, this message is for you, nostalgia. So they are in that phase, in the guilt phase. When realization hit them, now they are in the guilt phase and they are in nostalgia. It says, I miss the time we spent together. They are replaying not just the past actions, they are replaying the good times that you guys had together, and they are replaying those moments again and again. And like the I'm getting this specific sentence for you. You brought a lot of joy into my life. You gave me mental peace. You gave me mental peace. I felt so happy. I have never smiled the way with anyone else. I have never smiled this way or felt this way with anyone else throughout my life, and only you can bring this smile back. I want this smile back. I want this happiness and joy back. I want to feel this again. So they are stuck in their head and they want to feel this happiness again. They want it again. So basically, reunion is on her horizon. This is strong high, either higher soulmate or twin flame. This is a strong higher soulmate connection or a twin flame journey. So let's get guidance cards from this deck. Okay, angels, what do you want to tell our Leos? What do you want to tell our Leos? Okay. Oops. So we have we have experiencing grace. So basically here it says share your gifts with grace. So love is coming to you, like I already repeated it a number of times. So what I'm getting is like I said, a lot of you are spiritual people and you are very caring and giving and nurturing. And when you got hurt and when you pulled back your energy, what you did during this time, besides removing the toxicity and healing yourself, you helped a lot of people. You could be healers, or just a person with spiritual gifts, or a very spiritually active person, or you could be a doctor, you or just helping people in general. So you in this period of time, you helped a lot of people, and now it's coming back. See, it's like you have such a beautiful heart. See, there's a beautiful pinkish reddish rose on this heart. So you guys are a beautiful soul. You're a beautiful soul. And we have Commander Ashtar over here. So the guidance for you is like, since you have it's like walk your talk. Basically, what you have done during this period of time, besides helping others, you have stayed patient, and you have waited for things to fall back in place. So basically now the things are finally falling back in place. Now it's finally happening what you have waited for a long time. So don't give up now. So basically you're this close to healing and abundance. So just keep taking the action and keep doing what you have been doing. That's the guidance for you guys. So continue what you are doing. You are very close to healing. You are very close to healing the situation and getting what you want. So please do not give up now. I know, I understand, I feel that energy of hurt. I feel that energy of your energy of feeling stuck, and you're like, I just want to give up, I am done with it. You guys feel hopeless. No, just don't give up. Keep taking action. You are here. Your abundance is here. This is like, it's going to grow back. It has almost grown. You see, I'll just try to focus. So you see the branches are already coming out. You have done a lot of work. Please don't give up. So whenever you come across this video, I can only guide. It is at the end your choice. So but the guidance for you is, please don't give up when finally what you have worked for is here. So don't give up. You are just there. You're just healing the situation. You're just this close. So just don't give up. Just don't give up. Just don't give up. You guys are strong. You are lions. You're a star. I need one more. Angels just keep telling me, use this deck also for guidance. What do they want to tell you? Yes. Okay. So we have Angel of Miracles over here. So like I said, you guys, don't give up. You are very, you feel it's unrealistic. I have done enough. Nothing can be done now. I'm just done. I'm just over it. So it just 555 on the screen. So big changes, miracles. So you feel it is impossible. No, it isn't. Miracles do happen. The angel of miracle is here. Okay, so you have worked a lot and the miracle is going to happen. All you need to do is open your heart. It is safe for you to love now. All the toxic people, all the people who were trying to mess up this connection, all of them are incapable. All of them have been removed. So it is safe for you to open your heart now. Just open your heart and expect a miracle. Open your heart and you will see the miracles happening. So that's what I have for my lovely Leos. So if this situation resonated with you, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so that you know whenever my readings are uploaded. Like my video, it helps my videos reach out to other people. If you guys want a personal reading, you can DM me on my Instagram, or you can DM me on my Instagram, and you can also mail me. All the details will be given. Sorry guys, I'm just so drained. So all the details will be given down below in the description box. So stay strong and stay happy. Loads of love, light and blessings to my beautiful souls.